group 5 and which consists of 4 people, and their name are Hassan Mirza, Wajahat Ahmed, Talha Siddiqui, and of course me, Syed Mohammed. Today our topic is communication and conflict management. Before taking a start, I just want to tell you the definition of communication and conflict, right? What is communication? The process of sending or receiving a message is called communication. And what is conflict? Conflict is when two or more values, perspectives, and opinions are contradictory in nature and haven't been aligned or agreed about yet. Example: within yourself, when you are not living according to your desired wishes or values, when your values and perspective are threatened to you, discomfort from fear of the unknown, right? Communication is the way we interact with fellow humans. For example, right now I am giving you the presentation, and in that presentation, my hand, my eyes, my tongue, and of course, every gesture of my body plays some role, right? We see things not as they are, but as we are. That is what usually the conflict arises. Communication is bad. In that picture, you can see that the director gives instruction to his subordinate. In that picture, you can see that the lady was smiling uncomfortably. It means that she was a party woman, right? And in that, you can see the sweet couple. And in that one, you can see the accountant. What's the difference between the other two pictures? In that, you can see that the director was quite serious with his work. And in that, you can see the accountant was quite less serious than his work as compared to the director, right? So now I would like to invite Mr. Hassan Mirza, and he will further this story.
My topic is listen well so the message sent and the message received are what you want. It means so that the message sent and message received are understanding of both. Taking responsibility of how we think, challenging the validity of our perception, challenging our absoluteness of our perception, challenging the current accuracy of our perception. Perception color is our understanding of manner of communication in every situation, and we have each developed pattern of our behavior. Then, in the same way, for the same can be breaking down when we should be confident, when should obtain more information first. Our behavior can be taking responsibility on your role in relationship and circumstance. Choose your response, interrupt relative pattern, don't react, communicate. I would like to Mr. Talha to continue presenting.
Instead of one other message can influence the message and fixation. What about this 28% local? How we save it? 5% local.
What you said? What
is your meaning the message itself? What is the message? And if you talk about vocal, how we say the intonations, projections, and resonance of the voice. Visual body language, your gestures, your expressions, how you behave in front of audience. Now we have to remember much communication is unconscious, much communication is unintended, much communication is
incompetent.
What's the meaning?
What is the meaning of unintentional?
sometimes things we don't want to do, but I think intentionally we do.
This is the part of here. This is Anbajat. I have a question. Next part. When what we say is about body fitness, most of the time things happen when somebody is standing here and just take down expression low, hands moving and say I am excited. It never suits. You will not say here. But at the same time, a person comes, his cheek is high and smiling, say, I am excited. You will say, yeah, he is. This is what I want to say. Yeah, what we say and what we do, friends. Asha, my part is to situation of conflict. Just think about stop. What stop? Stop. Analyze and respond. The stop word when something happens, when a conflict occurs. Just stop and wait and think what is happening. Then just think about the situation, what we do wrong, and then try to gather the data. Okay, what was the reason of conflict? Then analyze the thing from the data which we gather and try to analyze how we can solve this situation and then respond. And finally, when you respond, then you will find something good from where you can solve this conflict. Now we have the 5 steps in resolving the conflict. Looking the problem together, try to sit gather all of you people, the person of your group, and just tell them to sit and try to tell them what the things happen and just try to look into the problem. Clarify the issue, tell everyone just focus on the goal and please don't try to panic. Understand each other's perspective. A group of us, when they are together to solve goals, they have their own ideas. Just tell them.
मेरे तो 10 के 10 गए.
Depend on you to just concentrate on your own goal. Don't try to involve in the part of any other. In the way, then you can break the conflict in the steps and try to make it in the steps where gather everyone and
अभी 8 दिन में श्री बन जाएगी सब.
step by step, then finally we get the given text. Given text, then just stop thinking about lots of things and just concentrate on your own thing and don't try to be the part of